If you're interested in the paint pouring trend which has taken the world by storm, I'm pretty sure you'll have heard about the amazing bloom technique. You've probably also heard how difficult it is. Hi, I'm Monique, an award-winning fluid artist from the UK. I've been pouring for 9 years and have taught hundreds of students, both in person at my studio and online. In 2020, I created the world's largest online pouring course consisting of 70 video tutorials, and now I've created an ebook which pulls back the curtain on the bloom process. This is the missing manual I wish I'd had, and it's so much more than an ebook. But don't just take my word for it. People just like you have been raving about the missing manual in all of the reviews. There's 19 chapters with over 116 pages packed full of information about this technique. There's lots of high-res close-up pics. There's also 5 fantastic bonuses, including 4 videos. Want to know more about this mesmerising technique? Don't wait a moment longer. Click on that link right now.